Welcome back. This is practice test 2 of the Salesforce Agentforce Specialist practice test series. 10 more questions, same rules. Pick your answer before the reveal. Keep your score running. Let us go. Question 1. How does the AI retriever function within Data Cloud? Option A. It performs contextual searches over an indexed repository to quickly fetch the most relevant documents, enabling grounding of AI responses with trustworthy, verifiable information. Option B. It automatically extracts and reformats raw data from diverse sources into standardized datasets for use in historical trend analysis and forecasting. Option C. It monitors and aggregates data quality metrics across various data pipelines to ensure only high-integrity data is used for strategic decision-making. Think about what retrieval augmented generation means and what the retriever's specific job is in that process. The correct answer is A. It performs contextual searches over an indexed repository to quickly fetch the most relevant documents, enabling grounding of AI responses with trustworthy, verifiable information. The retriever's role is to search a vector indexed repository using semantic similarity. When a user asks a question, the retriever finds the most relevant chunks of content from the data library and passes them into the prompt to ground the LLM's response. Question 2. Universal containers. Agent action includes several Apex classes for the new Agentforce agent. What is an important consideration when deploying Apex that is invoked by an agent action? Option A. The Apex classes may bypass the 75% code coverage requirement as long as they are only used by the agent. Option B. Apex classes invoked by an agent action may be deployed with less than 75% test coverage as long as the agent is not activated in production. Option C. The Apex classes must have at least 75% code coverage from unit tests, and all dependencies must be in the deployment package. Salesforce's standard Apex deployment rules apply here. Agentforce does not create exceptions. The correct answer is C. The Apex classes must have at least 75% code coverage from unit tests, and all dependencies must be in the deployment package. Agentforce does not exempt Apex from Salesforce's standard deployment requirements. All Apex classes must meet the 75% code coverage threshold, and any dependencies such as related classes, triggers, or metadata must be included in the deployment package. Question 3. Universal Containers wants to implement an AI-powered customer service agent that can retrieve proprietary policy documents stored as PDFs and ensure responses are grounded in approved company data, not generic LLM knowledge. What should UC do first? Option A. Expand the AI agent's scope to search all Salesforce records. Option B. Set up an Agentforce Data Library for AI retrieval of policy documents. Option C. Add the files to the content, and then select the Data Library option. The question asks what UC should do first. What is the foundational step before anything else can work? The correct answer is B. Set up an Agentforce Data Library for AI retrieval of policy documents. Before an agent can retrieve proprietary PDF documents, an Agentforce Data Library must be set up. This library ingests and indexes the documents so the agent can semantically search them. Without the data library, there is no structured way to ground the agent in approved company content. Question 4. An Agentforce specialist is creating a custom action in Agentforce. Which option is available for the Agentforce specialist to choose for the custom agent action? Option A, flows. Option B, apex trigger. Option C, SOQL. Think about the supported types of custom actions in Agentforce. What can an agent action actually invoke? The correct answer is A, flows. Custom agent actions in Agentforce can invoke flows, apex classes, and APIs. Apex triggers and raw SOQL are not directly available as custom action types. Flows are the most common and recommended option for building custom agent actions. Question 5. Universal Containers wants to enable its sales team to use AI to suggest recommended products from its catalog. Which type of prompt template should UC use? Option A, Flex Prompt Template. Option B, Email Generation Prompt Template. Option C, Record Summary Prompt Template. Think about which template type is designed for flexible, multi-object data use cases like product recommendations. The correct answer is A, Flex Prompt Template. The Flex Prompt template is designed for scenarios that require flexible data inputs from multiple sources and objects, making it ideal for product recommendation use cases. Email generation templates are specifically for emails, and record summary templates are for summarizing a single record. Question 6. What is the role of the large language model in understanding intent and executing an agent action? Option A. Identify the best matching topic and actions and the correct order of execution. Option B. Determine a user's topic access and sort actions by priority to be executed. Option C. Find similar requested topics and provide the actions that need to be executed. This is about what role the LLM specifically plays in the Agentforce reasoning process. The correct answer is A. Identify the best matching topic and actions and the correct order of execution. The LLM in Agentforce acts as the reasoning engine. It interprets the user's intent, determines which topic and actions are most relevant, and decides the correct order in which those actions should be executed. It does not manage user access controls or sort by priority in the way option B suggests. Question 7. Universal Containers is experimenting with public generative AI models and is familiar with the language required to get the information it needs. However, it is time-consuming for sales and service reps to type in prompts each time and ensure prompt consistency. Which Salesforce feature should the company use to address these concerns? Option A, Agent Builder and Action, Query Records. Option B, Einstein, Prompt Builder and Prompt Templates. Option C, Einstein Recommendation Builder. The focus is on consistency and reducing the time reps spend writing prompts manually. The correct answer is B, Einstein Prompt Builder and Prompt Templates. Prompt Builder allows admins and specialists to create reusable, standardized prompt templates that reps can invoke with one click. This eliminates the need for reps to manually type prompts each time and ensures consistent outputs across the team. Question 8. Universal Containers has configured an Agentforce Data Library using knowledge articles. When testing an agent builder and the Experience Cloud site, the agent is not responding with grounded knowledge article information. However, when tested in Prompt Builder, the response returns correctly. What should UC do to troubleshoot the issue? Option A. Create a new permission set that assigns managed knowledge and assign it to the Agentforce service agent user. Option B. Ensure the assigned user permission set includes access to the prompt template used to access the knowledge articles. Option C. Ensure the Data Cloud user permission set has been assigned to the Agentforce service agent user. The clue is that Prompt Builder works correctly, but Agent Builder does not. The problem is likely about what the agent user has access to. The correct answer is B. Ensure the assigned user permission set includes access to the prompt template used to access the knowledge articles. Because Prompt Builder tests as the admin user and works fine, but the agent fails, the issue is the agent user's permissions. The Agentforce service agent user needs explicit access to the prompt template that retrieves the knowledge articles. Without this, the agent cannot access the grounding template even if the data library is correctly configured. Question 9. Universal Containers would like to route SNMS text messages to a service rep from an Agentforce service agent. Which service channel should the company use in the flow to ensure it is routed properly? Option A, live agent. Option B, messaging. Option C, route work action. Think about which Salesforce service channel handles SMS-based communication. The correct answer is B, messaging. The messaging service channel in Salesforce is the correct channel for SMS and other messaging-based communications. Live Agent is for web chat, and route work. Action is not a service channel, it is a flow action. Question 10. Universal Containers wants to ensure the effectiveness, reliability, and trust of its agents prior to deploying them in production. UC would like to efficiently test a large and repeatable number of utterances. What should the Agentforce specialist recommend? Option A. Leverage the Agent Large Language Model UI and test UC's agents with different utterances prior to activating the agent. Option B. Create a CSV file with UC's test cases in Agentforce Testing Center using the testing template. Option C. Deploy the agent in a QA sandbox environment and review the utterance analysis reports to review effectiveness. The key phrase here is large and repeatable number of utterances. What tool is built for bulk testing? The correct answer is B. Create a CSV file with UC's test cases in Agentforce Testing Center using the testing template. The Agentforce Testing Center supports batch testing by uploading a structured CSV file that contains many utterances at once. This is the most efficient and repeatable approach for testing at scale before production deployment. Practice test 2 complete. Score yourself. How many did you get right this time? Drop your score in the comments and let us know if you improved from practice test 1. Practice test 3 is next in the playlist. Keep going.